We go on with the weak verbs and we have some more to do. Shoot. Okay, you play the balloon game, you shoot the balloon to burst it. Then you say, I shot, say 10 balloons in 5 seconds. So, shoot. Or you shoot something. Shoot, then the past is shot. Past participle also shot. Shoot, shot. Then we have show. You show the drawing, you show off something. Then you say, I showed. Or I'll say the past participle will say, shown. I have shown. So, show. Show, showed. Then in the past part, you say shown. I have shown, shone. Okay. Then sleep. Sleep, slept. You are sleeping now. Sleep. Then we will say the past. You will say slept. Past participle also slept. Then we have smell. Okay, we have smell. Then we'll say you smelled. You can say you smelled. Past participle also smell. But you can also say smell. You can also say smelled. Smelled. And for the past participle also you say smelled. Okay. Then we have sow. You sow something, seeds to grow. So you say, I saw the seed. Then you say, I sowed it. And then you say, I have sown the seed. But we can also say sow, sowed, and here we can also say same, sowed. You sow the seed, I sowed the seed, I have sown the seed or sowed the seed. You can say either. Next is speed. You go in a high speed. Then you say sped. You go in a high speed. I sped so much. Or speeded. Either word we can use. Speed. Speed of any vehicle, you will say sped. Sped. You can also speed it, you can say. You can also say speed. You can also say speeded. Similarly, here also speeded. Then you smell something. Then you say you smelled. Smell, smelled. Next is spell. You spell a word. Spell, learning to spell. Then you say, I spelled it correctly. Spelled. T, spelled. And for the past participle also spelled. But we can also say spell. Then you can say spelled. In the past participle also you can say I spelled. Okay, spell, spell. Let's look at all the words that we had done so far. Okay, let's go over these words. Shoot, shot, shot, show, showed, showed, sleep, slept, slept, smell, smelt. Smelt again. Again for smell, we can also say smelled, smelled. Sow, sowed, sown or sowed. Speed, either you can say sped or speeded. Sped, speeded. Spell, spelt, spelled. You can also say spell, spelled, spelled. So some words you can either write ed or double d. It's a little different. Here spell you have double led. You have here speed, you say sped or speeded. A little bit of change here and there. We have some more to do.